Hi everyone, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be reviewing e.l.f. Liquid Matte Lipstick. e.l.f. Cosmetics was launched in India in January 2021. It's like 2-3 days back for now. And I so badly wanted to get hold of their liquid lipsticks because you guys who have been watching me, I'm a crazy lipstick lover. I am obsessed with anything but lipsticks. I thought to get their liquid lipsticks, and I saw a few reviews and people were talking about how good and how pigmented it is. So I checked the shades. There were about 8 shades available in India, and they were pretty much towards the lighter side. I thought about 4 shades would be fine for my skin tone and it would suit me. So I bought 4 shades. I'm going to talk about detailed part of these lipsticks, about every detail that you would want to know about these. So without any further ado, let's get started. So today I'm going to be reviewing 4 shades, and they are Red Vixen, Praline, Wine Tour and Berry Sorbet. I love all the 4 shades equally, and I'll put the timeline on the screen for the swatches. So if you're someone who are here just for the swatches, you can go check it out. And if you're someone who is here for the detailed review and the swatches of these products, so please keep on watching. Now these lipsticks retail for 800 rupees for 2.7 grams of product. Now about e.l.f. Cosmetics, it is basically American drugstore brand based in Oakland, California, and which was founded in the year 2004. We'll talk about the detailed packaging of these products. So it comes like this. There is no boxes coming with these lipsticks. It comes in a frosted plastic bottom like this and a jet black cap. Now there is a sticker attached on the frosted part of the lipstick which has all the import details, distribution details, the manufacturing details, the shade name of the product and where it was made. This was made in China. And the net content of the product, the manufacturing date and the expiry date. It says the manufacturing date is September 2020 and expiry date is September 2023. So the shelf life of this product is 3 years. Now the shade name is mentioned here on the sticker as well, and at the bottom of the lipstick, 81169 Berry Sorbet and 9K01 SF. I really have got no clue what that means, but the shade name is mentioned here. Now about the inner packaging of this product, it has a long transparent plastic wand with a diamond or leaf shaped applicator. I love a good diamond or leaf shaped applicator. Why? Because the applicator is in this kind of shape and it is very much helpful to apply the lipstick and outline your lips very precisely without having messing it around like any other liquid lipstick applicators. And I feel that is one of the best part here about these lipsticks. Now about the texture of these products, it is kind of moussey plus liquid in texture. It's not very moussey like very thick and all, or not very liquid. It's kind of somewhere in between. That's kind of my favorite formula. That's how I love my lipsticks to be. I don't like it very moussey because it will get dried up very soon, and very liquidy. I don't feel like applying those kind of lipsticks. I feel they get dried up to a very dry finish on your lips. The formula of this one is really good. Let me show you the texture here. I'll just swipe the lipstick on my hand and I'm going to show you. This is the shade Berry Sorbet. You can see how pigmented this is, and it was just one swipe pigmentation and it looks like so beautiful here. Now these lipsticks are supremely pigmented. Like one swipe is more than enough for the color payoff. It takes about 20 seconds to get dried up completely, and it dries down to complete matte finish. It is very long lasting, and I can assure you that it would at least last 8 hours for you all, unless if you're eating some oily food, then it might come off from here and there somewhere, but not entirely. And it is completely transfer proof and smudge proof. You can see there is no transfer as such, and even though if I want to smudge my lipstick, nothing at all on my hands. And That's what I loved about these lipsticks. They are smudge proof, they are transfer proof, they are budge proof. I sprayed water on my face lots of times. I tried to splash water on my face. It is waterproof indeed and would not budge at all. Now if you're wondering how you can remove it, this is pretty light in texture, so you can easily remove it with micellar water, oil based makeup remover, baby wipe, or even coconut oil. Now considering the formula of these lipsticks and how light and comfortable it feels on my lips, even right now I don't feel like I have a lipstick on my lips. It's super light and supremely comfortable, non-drying at all. So it reminds me of Smashbox liquid lipsticks. They are also pretty much comfortable, moussey in texture, a little more thicker than this one, but consistency is the same and it feels the same on lips. Now about the shade Praline that I have from this collection, it reminds me of the shade Stepping Out from Smashbox regarding the consistency of the product, the longevity and the light texture that it makes you feel on the lips, and even the color is completely same. So I feel e.l.f. Cosmetics liquid matte lipstick in the shade Praline is an exact dupe of Smashbox liquid lipstick in the shade Stepping Out. Now I noticed that this brand e.l.f. Cosmetics is vegan, it's cruelty free, it's dermatologically tested, it's paraben and sulfate free, which means it is non-harmful to your skin or your lips, and all of the products are something like this, and hence a big shout out to e.l.f. Cosmetics for this. I actually love the formula of this lipsticks and I would love to try a few more dark shades if they get to launch in India, some more shades, but the other shades that are available right now are kind of very light and they would easily wash me out. Praline shade was almost a classic nude for my skin. If you're beyond NC 42 or 45 for that matter, you might have to use a lip liner, or this one would definitely wash you out. This will suit until the Skin Tones MAC shade reference NC 42. Beyond that one I'm not very sure, but the other three shades are very dark and so they would suit any skin tone. Now about the shade Praline, it is a brown with mauve undertone, more of brown and very less of mauve undertone like the shade Smashbox Stepping Out. And the shade Red Vixen is a red, it's a classic red lipstick with a little bit of brown undertone, suitable for mainly wheatish and dusky beauties. You would nail this shade. Now the shade Berry Sorbet. Berry Sorbet is a dark fuchsia pink color, not very bright and not very muted either. It's just normal, you can carry it outside and it would suit everyone, right from fair till deep. All of these colors except the shade Praline, which won't be a good color for people beyond NC 42 as I said. Now the last shade Wine Tour, the one that I am wearing right now, it's a beautiful purple shade with a little bit of pink undertone. It's more towards purple and a little bit towards pink. That's how, and I love this shade. I wanted to wear this shade for the entire shoot because I loved this one among all. I have swatched these lipsticks without makeup and with makeup, so if you're someone who does not wear makeup, you would know how this one would look on you. And if you're someone who wears makeup, I have got a normal general makeup on my face, not very flashy and not very overloaded. So if you're wearing makeup, then you would be able to know how this would look on you. Now let's see the swatches of these lipsticks, shall we? test on these lipsticks for 12 hours, so you would be able to know how long it would last and how will it last. Ending the lipstick review with a wear test is a must. So yeah guys, that was my short review on e.l.f. liquid matte lipstick. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give my video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Do not forget to hit the bell icon under this video so you don't miss any updates from my channel. I'm gonna be coming up with lots of amazing content, lots of lipstick swatches and makeup product reviews, some amazing reviews that you don't want to miss. So stay tuned in my channel. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.